These units are manufactured in Mexico by Carrier for Baker Distributing Company, which is a subsidiary of Watsco Incorporated. The units have variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation and have a 14 SEER efficiency. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts for central heating and use louvered panel construction, which is superior for protecting the condenser coil from mechanical damage. The WPA4 models can either be slab-mounted or easily field-converted for rooftop installation, while the WJA4 models are dedicated slab-mount units. They are relatively loud in operation with sound levels roughly equivalent to that of an alarm clock, and the guarantee is not as good as many other brands. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 2-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.